Ever found yourself drowning in a sea of receipts, wondering where your money went? Or maybe you're a business owner, pulling your hair out trying to chase down expense reports from your team. If either of those scenarios sound familiar, you're not alone. We've all been there, that frustrating limbo of financial disorganization. But what if I told you there was a way to escape that chaos? What if you could reclaim your time and sanity, all while getting a crystal clear picture of your spending? That's where Expensify comes in. Now, you might be thinking, another expense tracking app? What makes this one different? Well, let's dive into that. Expensify isn't just about snapping photos of receipts. It's about automating the entire expense management process, from capture to reimbursement. Imagine this. You're at a business lunch, you pay the bill, and with a quick snap of your phone, the receipt is automatically scanned, categorized, and ready for approval. No more stuffing crumpled paper into your pockets or frantically typing in details later. But it doesn't stop there. For individuals, Expensify simplifies personal finance. You can easily track your spending habits, see where your money is going, and even generate reports for budgeting. Gone are the days of manually entering every transaction. Expensify intelligently pulls data from your linked bank accounts and credit cards, giving you a real-time overview of your financial health. For businesses, Expensify is a game changer. It streamlines expense reporting, making it easier for employees to submit expenses and for managers to approve them. The platform's SmartScan technology eliminates manual data entry, reducing errors and saving time. Plus, with features like automated policy enforcement, you can ensure that all expenses are within company guidelines. Think about the time you'll save. No more chasing down missing receipts or deciphering illegible handwriting. Imagine the clarity you'll gain, knowing exactly where your money is going, both personally and professionally. Expensify also integrates seamlessly with popular accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero, ensuring that your financial data is always up to date and accurate. Need to reimburse employees? Expensify handles that too, with direct deposit and ACH transfers, making the process quick and painless. And for those who travel frequently, Expensify's GPS tracking and mileage reporting features make it easy to log business trips and calculate reimbursements. The power of Expensify lies in its ability to automate the mundane tasks of expense management, freeing you up to focus on what matters most. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or a large corporation, Expensify can help you take control of your finances. It's more than just an app, it's a financial management tool that empowers you to make informed decisions and streamline your operations. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.